What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and to today's video, which is one that I think you guys are gonna like. You all know that I absolutely love my Balenciagas, but I've been getting quite a lot of questions from all you asking me to kind of list some more affordable alternatives. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, we all know the Balenciagas, they're not the cheapest sneaker on the market. So you obviously already know by the title, but in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing the Axel Arigato Marathon Runners, which I feel at this moment in time are the absolute best alternative to the Balenciaga Tracks. But before we do get into the video, you all know what to do. Pause the video right now, go down below and absolutely smash that thumbs up button. And if you are new to the channel from this video, be sure to hit subscribe as well. I upload men's fashion content every Thursday and every Sunday. So that's enough of the intro. Let's get into the juicy stuff and get these unboxed. So to start things off, this is the actual box that they come in. As you can see, super clean, super minimal. It comes in like a washed out yellow colorway. And then in terms of the actual branding, nice and simple, just Axel Arigato, bang in the center by there. And then it kind of just has your standard barcode and size tab and stuff like that by there, which for reference, I picked these up in a UK 9.5. I went true to size. So we open this up and that. All right, so let's take off the lid, and this is kind of what you see when you first take off the lid, which, to be fair, very good presentation. So you get this envelope, which I'm guessing is like my invoice or whatever. Yep. So you get like your little invoice in here, and you also get this like washed out yellow dust bag, which these, honestly guys, these come in so handy. So obviously I'm kind of always out and about shooting content, and I'm always using these dust bags. I always put like my sneakers in the dust bag, throw them into the suitcase or whatever, and that kind of prevents all the mud and dirt that is maybe on the bottom of the trainers. That prevents them from getting all over the clothes. So these definitely come in very handy. You can never have enough of those. And now into the good stuff. If we take a look inside the tissue, and here we have it. As you can see, the sneakers kind of come in like separated poly bags, and this is what we have. The Axel Arigato Marathon Runners in the brushed black colorway. In my opinion, the perfect Balenciaga track alternative. So as I said, I got these in the brushed black colorway. Now, if I remember rightly, I think there's either a total of 6 or 7 colorways available in the Marathon Runners. There's either 6 or 7, but I'll throw them up all over the screen now so you guys can check them out. But yeah, I decided to go with the brushed black colorway because obviously I have the Balenciaga Tracks and I have the New Balance 530s, both in like the light white colorway. So basically I figured I'd just kind of mix things up a little bit, get these in the black option, and yeah, I'm gassed. I'm so happy I went with this color. So just to go over like a few of the little details, as you can see by here, we have like the Arigato branding. We also have Arigato kind of like engraved into the back of the sole. And then on the actual tongue, if the camera picks it up, you have like this rubber Axel Arigato branded like patch that's been like stitched onto the tongue. So like I said, I got these in the brushed black colorway, and they kind of have that like rugged, almost worn look to them. If you can kind of see like by here, and the same on like the other side as well, like the midsoles, they have that like worn look to them, which I actually like, and I think that is perfect for this like UK weather. Because unless you're getting like absolute guaranteed sun beaming down on you all day, then I'm the type of person that won't wear the Balenciagas because they will just get absolutely trashed, especially being white. So yeah, I think this is like the perfect sneaker for the UK weather. If you're unsure on the kind of weather that you get on that day, throw these on. They already look worn anyway, so no matter what the weather, they're gonna be looking brand spanking new. So they're super thick and heavyweight, just like the Balenciagas. They've got like the really thick soles, and then the actual fabric is a mixture of leather and polyester mesh, which is like the stuff that you can see here. So just to give you like a bit of a closer look actually of every angle, that is how we're looking on the front. And then obviously you can see like the branding. We have the back, and then last but not least, we have the sole with the slight branding as well. Actually, 1 minute, let me grab the Balenciagas and let's compare them. So firstly, the actual weight of the shoe. Obviously, we all know how big and chunky the Balenciaga Tracks are, so I kind of thought that these would be a little bit bigger, but now like side by side, well, weight first. I would say the weight is pretty much exactly the same. I can't actually tell the difference as to which is heavier. So the weight, pretty much the same. And then kind of like like as a side by side comparison, you can just kind of see that they are pretty much the same size. If anything, obviously the Balenciaga Tracks may be ever so slightly chunkier, but there's not that much. There's not that much in it. Before I show you what these actually look like on, the actual price of them are £200. So obviously they're still not like the cheapest sneaker in the world, but if you kind of compare that to the price of the Balenciagas, they're literally like £400 cheaper than the Balenciagas. So a lot more affordable if you kind of look at it that way, but at the same time, obviously they're not, they're not like a £60 shoe. So if you are looking for something even more affordable than this, I'll link the New Balance 530s in the description down below. I've also got them, so I'll link them in the description down below. They're coming in at £80, I think, so super affordable, and are definitely still a great alternative to the Balenciaga Tracks. But if your budget allows something kind of in the middle, then honestly, the Axel Arigato Marathon Runners are the perfect choice. So yeah, super excited to be styling these in some future videos for you guys, but let's just take a quick look at what they look like on. And there we have it, guys. That is the unboxing of the Axel Arigato Marathon Runners. Be sure to let me know in the comment section down below, which do you prefer? Do you prefer these, the Axel Arigatos, or do you prefer the Balenciaga Tracks? Let me know in the comment section down below. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you're new. Drop a comment down below. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.